Did you know there's a place on Earth that creates 20% of the planet's oxygen? Or that it rains fish there? The Amazon rainforest is a wonder like no other. Known as the lungs of the Earth, it produces one-fifth of our oxygen and is home to 10% of all known species on the planet. Here's a mind-blowing fact. During heavy rains, fish have been reported falling from the sky in parts of the Amazon. And here's another. Beneath the dense canopy lies a hidden network of rivers, some flowing underground. Scientists believe these rivers may be just as massive as the Amazon River itself. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.